Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help Google Gemini write better results. So after I entered the prompt, you'll notice at the bottom there's a few options here given in icons. I can either thumbs up this response, let Google know it's a good response, or thumbs down the response. So if I click on it, once I click on it, great, thanks, it's going to consider that a good response. All right, now add some feedback. Was it correct? Was it easy to understand? Was it complete? You can select all of those. And you can even add your own feedback if you want to be more specific using your own voice. And then once you're ready, you can just submit that, and that will help Google Gemini understand what makes a better response for when people use this in the future. Same thing happens if you click on bad response. All right, was it offensive or unsafe, not factually correct, other, and you can also provide additional feedback.